prototype program. Super excited. We had our first pledge today of $500. Super cool. Just wanted to say shout out to Mia. Thank you for that. We greatly appreciate your contribution to the campaign, and we will continue to post updates as we make progress. We anticipate and have a lot of action that's going to be happening, a lot of great stuff we're going to continue to post up, and we know it's going to be a tsunami for us, when it happens, and so we're excited for that. But again, thank you, Mia, for your contribution, and like I said, we're going to continue to post up updates for you all to see both on Kickstarter, YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, you name it. We're going to make sure everybody sees everything we're working on as we continue to unveil and reel out our prototype. And again, this funding is on Kickstarter is to continue to fuel our prototype program so we can finish and work out the final details on our models so that we can actually get it to manufacturing. So right now we have version 6 that's there, and we anticipate we're going to build another 3 to 4 prototypes to go with that to get us to that finish line. So we'll keep you guys abreast.